This week has been a lot. My 9 to 5 has been so busy. So many things on my to-do list, and my apartment is a mess. I've not really been as intentional with my routines, and I can definitely feel it. So before Monday gets here, I want to spend my favorite day, which is Sunday, resetting everything, relaxing, and getting back to the habits that make me feel like myself. My sister, I feel comfortable, but like if I'm with, I gotta be like. You working? I'm in the bathroom because I'm about to get started on my hair. So I think first I want to lightly detangle and kind of do, I guess I'll call it like an oil treatment. I've been trying to use way less products on my skin and on my hair because I have very sensitive skin. Through years of trial and error, like I could never figure out what it was. And then finally I figured it out. It was the products that I was using on my hair because I was showering and detangling and conditioning, shampooing, all of that in the shower. The products were getting on my body and breaking me out. So ever since then, I've changed up my routine quite a bit. So don't really use a lot of different products. And my hair is still thriving. Like my hair is probably like maybe almost tailbone length. I just cut maybe like 2 inches off around my birthday. So if I feel like my scalp just really needs to be cleansed, then I'll use this right here. This is California Naturals, and this is a brand that I found because it's fragrance free. So all the products, mostly everything that I use on my hair and on my skin is fragrance free because it's just, fragrance is really not good for sensitive skin. Chamomile, colloidal oatmeal, green tea, fragrance free, 98% naturally derived. This is another one that I've been using lately. This is the Desert Essence fragrance free conditioner, and this one has pretty good ingredients. The first ingredients is aloe leaf juice and green tea extract. So I am finally done with the dishes. I got that all taken care of. All I have to do is start the dishwasher. Let me show you guys what I've been using. So yeah, so I've been using this Blue Land dishwasher detergent tablets right here. And I got this because they're supposed to be like free of fragrance, dyes, and then it's 100% plastic free. But I mean, it's pretty decent. I don't know if I'm like not doing it right, but sometimes there's like certain residue, like white residue on some of the dishes. But for now, this is what I'm using until I'm done with that. And I might try to find like a different dishwasher detergent tablet to use afterwards. I'm gonna get that started. And then also, I've been trying to use less paper towels. So I have a whole bunch of kitchen cloths that I use to, you know, clean up on an everyday basis or whatever. So by the end of the week, I don't have any more left. So I'm gonna get those and then put them in a washing machine so I can have some towels throughout the week, because I'm trying not to buy paper towels. Like, I haven't bought any paper towels in a long time, and sometimes it's annoying, but I don't know, that's just something that I don't like to buy. Also, I might make me something to eat really quick. Let me show you guys this rice that I had the other day that almost killed me because it was so spicy. This rice right here, I got this the other day because I was like, oh, let me just like put this in the pan and then like add a fried egg on top, and I figured that would be a quick meal. When I say this almost killed me, this is so spicy, but it's so good to me. So I'm probably gonna make it again today. I guess I should have known because of this. Okay guys, so I'm outside on my porch right now, and this is one of my favorite parts of Sunday. Well, really, I can do this any day, but definitely on Sundays I make sure to do some yoga or some type of stretching. My sister recently kind of like updated our porch area, so we have like the fake grass out here. So I like to come out here, get some fresh air, and just move my body, stretch my muscles, and basically just relax. If you have not added yoga or some type of stretching to your routine, you definitely need to add it because it makes a huge difference. Like, when I'm doing a lot of chores or a lot of things around the house, washing my hair, you know, eventually my upper back and my shoulders get really tight, my neck. So it's just like a huge release. 15 to 30 minutes to maybe watch a video on YouTube, or sometimes I just kind of do my own thing. So yeah, we're gonna do that now. Okay guys, so I'm at my desk right now and I'm about to start planning out my content for the week, and then just also journaling. At my desk, I keep a lot of markers, pens, things like that. So I have a whole bunch of containers of markers and pens, and that is because I like to use an actual physical journal. I talked about this in another video, that this was the habit that was helping me get my life together. It helps me get my frustrations out just with things I've been dealing with during the week, or kind of like brainstorming different ideas. So I do that in this journal, and definitely on Sundays it's a good thing to do to prepare for the week ahead. I don't know if you heard that phrase, a failure to plan is a plan to fail. So honestly, for me, I know some people can probably just get everything done without a lot of planning, but me personally, like, I found that out about myself, and I feel like that's just a very important part of kind of growing, is learning yourself and like kind of learning how you navigate the world in the best way. Yeah, I'm gonna get to journaling. I'm gonna get my little markers and make everything all cute and fun. And when I journal, I like to put on a little lo-fi music, just something nice and relaxing, so I don't feel stressed with my thoughts. And then definitely get ready for bed soon. another thing that I like to do is make a grocery list. It probably would make sense for me to like grocery shop on Sunday, but am I the only one who feels like going to the grocery store on a Sunday is just like torture because it's so many people there, because everybody wants to grocery shop on the weekends, and Sunday is just the day that everybody's there. So because everybody's there, that's the reason I don't want to be there. So I just sit down and make a grocery list, and then I'll probably do that tomorrow.